Oh fuck. Hey guys, welcome to my very first vlog. Welcome to my channel. Thank you to everyone that has subscribed so far, and I hope you guys like this video. Today we're going to start off with installing a quick release on my Integra, and I'll show you all the parts that I got for it. So yeah, we got a hub, and I got a quick release, and of course a Nardi steering wheel. Or I had a quick release set up a few years back, and I decided to go back to stock, but I was like, you know, fuck it, might as well run a quick release again. So I got a wood grain Nardi steering wheel. Man, I haven't seen one of these in so long. Oh my god, I miss my old one. But it's okay. Let's get today started. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take off the steering wheel. I'm pretty sure that's obvious for everyone that's already installed a quick release. I'm pretty sure there's a video somewhere on YouTube. Oh yeah, and also you want to make sure this is straight. Let's do this mug. Ah, fuck. Okay, this is harder than I expected. Hold on. Gotta bring out the big... Ow. There we go. Can't lose that. And then you gotta disconnect this as well. What I like to do is pop all this little stuff off so you have more space, you feel? So before I put on the quick release, I'm actually going to replace this turn, thingy-majigger, whatever it's called. My turn signal stopped working, so hopefully that's the issue. So yeah, this is another turn signal thing that I got from Pick and Pull. So hopefully it's not a bad one. Little update. Before I actually installed the quick release, I ended up, I kind of hacked my horn. Because I do want a horn. I want to run it just in case. So I hacked the horn button thing for it. So usually there's like a plug-in for this, but I cut it all around. So the metal part can make contact with the back. It should work. I got the hub in. What's left to do is the quick release and the steering wheel. So let's go do that. Alright, update. The quick release and the steering wheel is finally installed. And the horn works. Look at this shit, guys. Boom. Yeah, that's just lit. Let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up if you guys are digging the Nardi. Okay, we got one more thing to do today. We're actually gonna install this valve cover. Let's get to it. All there really is, all these bolts. I've been letting the motor cool down for a minute now, so should be ready to go. Look who it is, Mr. Neighbor himself.
Hey, motherfucker.
What's up, bitch?
What's up, you fucking rice ball dog eating that? I'm like, what are you doing? You recording? What's up, BJ? So what's up, man? Let me know a little about your car.
So my car, it's a 1990 Acura Integra. I have a B20B from Japan. It's pretty much all stock, and I've owned the car for almost 4 years. And what I've done to the car is suspension, wheels, well, of course, engine swap. I've done a roll cage. I've gutted the rear, or from the panel, the rear seat back. That's not much. It's a work in progress. There's still hella shit to do, to be honest with you.
What's your next step?
Next step, it's most likely gonna be, I really want to raise the car, get it to like a really functional setup. I don't think anything else is connected.
Damn.
Oh, I'm an idiot. The middle one. Jesus Christ. That's why you always double check everything, guys. Okay, there we go. So this is how the valve cover looks like, guys. Don't mind it, it's a little dirty. Yeah, the cam show. Everything. Can't forget the oil cap.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Big fountain.
Alright, everything is pretty much done. Now all I have left to do is wash the car. So let's get to it, guys. And I forgot one more thing, guys. Bam. Put the hood bra back on. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment down below what's better, with the hood bra or without the hood bra. Let me know, guys. Alright guys, so that pretty much sums up today, and I hope you guys liked the video, and peace out. Oh, and by the way, hope you guys stay around and stick around and stuff. I have big plans for the Integra, and there's still a lot more stuff I'm gonna post, so be ready for that, guys. Stay tuned, okay? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys very much.